Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import JPEG or JPG in Autodesk 3ds Max. All right, so first up, go ahead and add in a plane right here in the right panel. Now draw the plane. And then once that's done, while it's highlighted, just press M to open up the material editor. Okay, now right click right here on the blank space. Now go ahead over to materials, general, and then find physical material. Okay. Right here, just click on it. Now, find your specific material. So scroll down a bit right here. As you can see, we have the base color. Click on this box. Now go ahead and find a bitmap. Okay, so click on OK. Now it will open up your directory or your device's directory. Let's say, for example, I'm going to upload or use the channel's logo. I'm going to click on Open. Now, as you can see here, it is now uploaded. Now, what we're going to do, let's go ahead and use the Select and Move tool. Okay, click on it. And again, make sure that this one is highlighted. Now we could go ahead and use Assign Material to Scene. Okay, or you can just press A as a shortcut. So click on it, and here we have it. Okay, and that's basically it. Now, just a note, okay, whenever you create a plane, just make sure that you match the dimension right here of your specific JPEG. Let's say you have 1000 by 500 JPEG. Well, make sure that you match that in here as well. All right. And again, that is how you import JPG in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.